Hi, today I'll be doing one of the most requested comparisons in the charting and trading tools space, comparing SMRT Algo and LuxAlgo, two powerful indicator suites designed to help traders make smarter decisions, catch better signals, and potentially level up their trading performance in 2026. Today we'll break it all down for you, what these tools actually do, how they work, and what they cost, the good and the bad, and ultimately which one deserves the crown in 2026. Let's get started. With SMRT Algo, at its core, SMRT Algo is a TradingView based indicator suite that simplifies technical analysis by combining advanced buy and sell signals, market structure insights, supply and demand zones, auto trend lines, momentum detection, and more. It's designed for scalpers, swing traders, and even long-term traders alike. SMRT Algo offers real-time market insights, exclusive entry and exit points, and even includes a scalper bot that claims to have delivered very high returns. It also emphasizes community support, giving users access to a VIP Discord group for strategy discussions, setups, and updates. In short, SMRT Algo is a one-platform solution instead of juggling multiple indicators, and you get a toolkit that does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Now let us talk about LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is an AI-powered technical analysis platform for TradingView, merging algorithmic indicators, precision alerts, and strategy building tools. Its goal is to help traders identify trends, reversals, support, and resistance levels, and then automate or alert you based on your custom setups. What sets LuxAlgo apart is its AI-assisted strategy creation. You can generate and backtest strategies directly within the system and receive alerts for live execution. LuxAlgo also provides community engagement through Discord and other channels, offering a place for traders to share setups and insights. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. We start with SMRT Algo. 8 advanced indicators bundled into one suite, market structure analysis, trend lines, support and resistance, supply and demand zones and momentum detection, real-time trading signals, scalper bots for rapid entries or exits. There's also VIP Discord group access and weekly strategies and setups, and it also works on all time frames and markets. How about LuxAlgo? Advanced algorithmic signals on TradingView, AI strategy builder and backtesting tools are available, precision alerts via email or webhook. There's also support for automation platforms, institutional grade overlays, real-time entry and exit signals, and configurable across markets and time frames. So what is the pricing of each of the platforms like? For SMRT Algo, to get instant access, you can do a monthly subscription at $87 per month, a lifetime payment where you can save 67% of the pricing by paying $495.95 for one time, and a quarterly payment where you save 50% by paying $129.95 every quarter. How about LuxAlgo? For the premium plan, you pay $57.79 per month. It's currently on 15% discounts because it was $67.99 before. And also on the ultimate plan, you pay $95.99 per month. This is a popular plan, and currently they're running a 20% discount because it was formerly $119.99. Now if you're thinking of doing this, as at the time of making this video, you have just 3 days and 13 hours more to get these discounts. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? Let's start with the pros. For SMRT Algo, an all-in-one toolkit is what SMRT Algo is. It has scalper bots and real-time signals. There's a lifetime payment option which many people are rooting for, and the active community support. And the pros of LuxAlgo? It has AI strategy builder with backtesting. There are precision alerts with automation support. It also focuses on trend and market structure and is trusted by many serious traders. How about the cons of these platforms? The cons for SMRT Algo: it has aggressive profit claims, and of course there's been mixed reviews online. And the cons of LuxAlgo: the pricing is premium, and also some users have reported issues with subscription or cancellation. Every platform has its downsides. So which one wins in 2026? Well, here's a brief summary. SMRT Algo is perfect for traders that are looking for a complete suite with bot support and community perks, especially beginners to intermediates. While LuxAlgo It is ideal for experienced traders that are wanting AI-powered strategy generation, precision alerts, and customization. So the bottom line is this: if you're new or prefer a plug-and-play solution, SMRT Algo is likely the best entry point for you. But if you want advanced analytics, AI tools, and maximum customization, then LuxAlgo takes the edge. And that's it on the comparison of SMRT Algo and LuxAlgo. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Market Cipher, QuantView, and Big Beluga algorithmic tools. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.